Now, former technical director for the Reggae Boys, Simoes, has wrapped up a successful high-performance camp at Mount Pleasant Academy in St. Anne. As you'll hear in this report from Christopher Scott, the officials at the academy looked beyond just playing on the field.
It was pandemonium in the National Stadium when the Reggae Boys, led by Simoes, qualified for their first and only World Cup in 1998. Since he last coached the Jamaica national team in 2008, Simoes has made it his mission to continue serving the land of wood and water. His latest project was the Mount Pleasant Football Academy High Performance 4-day camp held recently in Runaway Bay, St. Anne. Simoes outlined that there are 3 characteristics a footballer must possess in order to be successful.
You must understand they do 3 things on field. They think, they make decisions, and they make executions. Pass, kick, heading, crossings, everything he does, but before he has to thinking. And this is the idea we pass for coach and we show in the clinics.
One student who benefited from the camp is Malik Campbell, who said he enjoyed his experience with the Brazilian.
He's a very good coach. I think he like when he sees you doing stuff that you can improve on, he doesn't hesitate to tell you. He really helps you to improve your game.
Deputy Director of Football at Mount Pleasant Football Academy, Orlando Clark, believes this high-performance camp goes beyond just kicking a ball.
It's more about thinking the game for this camp so that our decision-making, which we know is an issue. We have been always good technically, we are strong physically, but we always struggle with tactical application. So Professor Simoes could come and help us to design activity that more on a focus of that.
The 4-day camp brought together over 50 young players with sessions emphasizing cognitive, emotional and tactical intelligence alongside technical skills, academy officials and game awareness. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.